Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Just a little drop-in video here because I've just been shown that there's a mistake, silly little mistake in exercise 3 of part 2 of the ledger line. So it's video A part 2, and at 13 minutes 56 I just make a mistake on exercise 3B. This very last note, you can see it's actually the same note and I've gone down a third. So really, just the pressure of working under a camera, I've just made a little mistake there, and you can see that should be the same note. So thanks for pointing that out, guys. So just change that there, little mistake, so I do apologise. Thanks for pointing that out. So at 13:56 in that video, it should just be another D again. You can see it's the D above middle C. So my apologies for that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. There's loads for you to go at. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.